NEET aspirants, one small wave on ECG can decide one full NEET question. Let's understand ECG clearly today. First, what is ECG and why is it recorded? ECG stands for electrocardiogram, a graph showing the heart's electrical activity over time. It is recorded to understand how the heart muscles are functioning and to detect any abnormality in heart rhythm. Now let's talk about the ECG machine. That is the device used to record this graph. The ECG machine detects tiny electrical signals produced by the heart during each heartbeat. It then prints or displays a tracing of these electrical signals as waves on a screen. We will now focus on the normal ECG waves, which are very important for NEET. Here you see the graph with some important labels: P, Q, R, S, and T. The first wave is the P wave. This represents atrial depolarization, which is the electrical activity when the atria contract. Next, the QRS complex marks ventricular depolarization, the electrical process when the ventricles contract. Finally, the T wave shows ventricular repolarization. That is when the ventricles recover and prepare for the next beat. For NEET, it is important to remember that P wave is atrial depolarization, QRS is ventricular depolarization, and T wave is ventricular repolarization. Let's understand the timing and significance of each wave in simple terms. The P wave lasts about 0.008 seconds and indicates atrial depolarization. The QRS complex is rapid, lasting about 0.06 to 0.10 seconds, showing ventricular depolarization. The T wave is a bit slower, representing ventricular recovery or repolarization. Knowing these timings helps identify abnormal heart rhythms and issues, which are commonly asked in NEET. Now let's see the complete cardiac cycle on the ECG graph. The cycle begins with the P wave, followed by the QRS complex, and then the T wave. This is one heartbeat. By observing the pattern, you can understand if the heart's electrical activity is normal or not. Remember, in NEET, electrical events happen before the mechanical events, such as heartbeats. Electrical activity means the signals from the heart's conduction system, while mechanical is the actual contraction and relaxation of heart muscles. If ECG is clear and understood, then cardiac physiology becomes much easier for NEET preparation. Revise this diagram and explanation, and NEET questions on ECG will start to feel simple. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, subscribe to NEET with AI, and comment ECG clear below. Keep practicing ECG diagrams and timings. This will boost your confidence for NEET.